Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be looking at more shell commands. So let's get started. The first one I am going to be doing now is the creating a new directory. To create a new directory, use the mkdir command space and you type the name of the directory. So let's call it downloads. Right, I have listed out the files located in my current working directory initially. So when I mkdir downloads, it creates a new directory called downloads here in blue. All right, so next we are going to look at copying and moving files. To copy files, you use the cp command, and you can copy the content of a file into another file. E.g., I can copy the content of hello.txt into either hello2.txt or a file that's not even existing at all. So let's try that second one. Cp hello.txt into greetings, which I don't have initially, .txt, and I hit enter. Okay, ls, and here is my greetings.txt. And when you use cat, I hope you remember what cat is meant for. On greetings.txt, hit enter, and there it copied the content of hello.txt into a new file called greetings.txt. Okay, you can also copy files into a new folder. So I can copy my greetings.txt. First, let us go into downloads, cd downloads, hit enter, and ls. There is nothing inside downloads, so let's go back, list our files. So we want to copy greetings.txt into downloads, enter. Okay, so let's go back into downloads, ls, and here you have the greetings.txt. Okay, back to our root folder and clear, then list out our files. I like when I am actually saying the files and directories I'm working with. Next is the move, the mv command. Okay, but before then, let's talk about one thing. We can actually copy folders into another folder. Example, let's say I want to copy this downloads folder. Okay, I can still use the cp command, then type -r space -r, then space the folder I want to copy. So I want to copy the downloads directory. Remember, folder is directory, same thing as directory. Folder is in Windows, directory is the lingo in Linux. Okay, so I want to copy the downloads directory into the new directory. Hit enter, and when we go into the new directory, ls, we have a copy of downloads there. If we go back to our previous working folder, ls, we still have our downloads here. Okay, so clear this. Now the mv command is used for moving files. These are my files here. Let's say I want to move hello2.txt into downloads. I can just go ahead and type hello2.txt. Sorry, I have to type the command first. hello2.txt, that's the file name. And where do I want it? I want it in downloads. Hit enter. When you type ls, hello2.txt is gone. When we go into our downloads directory, type ls, and here hello2.txt is right there. Also, you can use the mv command to rename a file. Okay, I want to rename this my greetings.txt to hello2.txt. So mv greetings.txt to hello2.txt, enter. And when you list the files, greetings is gone, and in its place you have hello2.txt, right? The last command I will like to talk about is the rm command. Okay, the rm command is used for deleting files. Okay, so rm, there are different variations of it, and we'll go through some of it in here. Rm hello.txt, hit enter, and ls. The hello.txt file is gone, it's been deleted. All right, but what if I want to delete a folder? Okay, first let's create a new folder, mkdir, and let's call it pictures, ls, and yeah, pictures. Okay, pictures is empty, right? We can type mkdir pictures. Oh, sorry, we can type rmdir. Sorry, mkdir is to make directory, please. Rmdir pictures, and hit enter, ls, and our picture folder is gone. Okay, let's clear this first, ls. Now let's try to remove our downloads directory, rmdir downloads, and here you see there is an error message, failed to remove downloads, directory is not empty. Okay, so to remove non-empty directories, that is directory that contains some files or subfolders, you type rm space -r, meaning recursive, then the name of the directory, downloads, and hit enter. Now when I type ls, my downloads directory is gone, it's been deleted. Now let's try deleting this Betty directory. First, let's go inside it, Betty, enter, list the files, and here these are the files inside Betty. We have two subfolders and the rest are files. We have some executable files in green, and we have the white ones, just your normal files. So let's go back to the root folder. All right, ls, and here we want to delete Betty. Okay, so since it is not empty, we use rm r and name of file, enter. Remove write protected regular file, Betty git object backpack, blah blah blah, a lot of gibberish. Okay, let's clear this, ls. Now when you go into Betty, type ls, there is nothing inside Betty, or at least it tells you there is nothing inside Betty, but when you check the hidden folders, you still have this .git. Okay, so what we will do, why I can't delete this is because I don't have write access to it. I don't have write permission to it. In the previous folder, I did mention that Betty is a Git clone. I cloned it from GitHub. Okay, the file does not belong to me. I don't have write permission to the file. All right, so but I don't want it inside I don't want to have any copy anymore. So what I will do is cd back to the root folder, ls. Now I will still use the rm command hyphen, but this time it will be rf, okay, and Betty, ls, and there Betty is gone. Okay, so we learned how to use the rm command, use it to delete a file. We also learned how to use it to delete a non-empty folder and how to use it to delete a folder which you do not have write permissions to. So that will be all for this tutorial. See you next time.